Alright, we're going to pick up now with part 3 in the lesson, which starts with step 18. We're talking about methods, and two of the methods that we're going to look at here for the song class is the accessor and the mutator. If you remember when we ran MediaLib, we got a spot here where the song was stored. So our accessor is going to get this information, display it, and then our mutator will allow us to change that information. So we're going to go into the song class, right click, open that up to edit, and if we look here at step 18, it tells us to read that section on methods, and then it asks us what are one of the accessors we could use for our song. Well, there's two bits of data here. There's the rating, and then there's also the title. So we could get either one of those. We could go out and get the title, or we could go out and get the rating. We're actually going to get both of those. So we're going to show you how to do that here. And because we have written this, let me stop right there. We're going to do that down here at the bottom. Under this title, that's an empty string. Under this curly bracket, we're going to hit enter. So we stay inside of the main one out here. And we're going to create an accessor. To do that, we're going to say public, which is going to allow us to use this later on in the lesson. Public string get title, open parentheses, close parentheses, and then we're going to open the curly bracket, and now we're going to tell it what we want to go out and get. We want to return the title, and close that out with a semicolon, and then we hit enter and close the bracket back. So that's an accessor for the getting the title. Now if we want to change that, we need a mutator. Same way here, except one thing's going to be different here. Public void set title, and then we're going to say string t, because remember we set our title up here as titles are variable, and so we're going to set that string to t. Close this out right here. Open curly bracket, and we're going to set our title equal to t. Close the curly bracket. Now you notice the difference here. This one has a return, this one does not. This is basically just changing or allowing us to change that title later. So we're going to go out and get the rating as well. So we'll come down here and say public int. Remember that was an integer up here. Get rating, open parentheses, close parentheses, open curly bracket, and just like we did up here where we got the title, we're going to return our rating. Close parentheses, or excuse me, semicolon, and then close the curly bracket there. And then we're going to make a mutator here just like we did with the set title, except this one is going to be set rating. And it's going to be an integer, and we're going to call that R. Close parentheses, open curly bracket, rating equals R, semicolon, and then we can use that close curly bracket, or we can go up here and add one. Now, to line this all up, Command-Shift-I, that'll auto-format everything. We select compile, everything is correct there. Now, we're going to go out here into the MediaLib, and we're going to actually add some information here. Okay, so we're going to go to MediaLib, open that up, and let's go in here and add some information for our song. You could put your own song in here, but I'm going to go with the directions here. And they ask us to set our song 1 set title to Johnny be good. Of course, that is a string, so we have to put that inside of quotes. Okay. And now we're going to have that print out. So system.out.println. And then we're going to say song1.get title, open parentheses, close parentheses, and then close parentheses for that line, semicolon. So that's going to go out and get our title and then display it. So now we're going to say the rating, song1 dot set rating. We're going to give it a rating of 5, semicolon at the end of that. And then finally system.out.println song1.get rating, open parentheses, close parentheses, and semicolon to end that. And if we hit Command Shift I, everything's lined up. Compile. Oh, helps if I spell that right. Get title. No errors. Close that out. And now if we run our method here, void main, we should get welcome to media library. Title of our song 1 is Johnny Be Good, and it has a rating of 5. Now, if you look at the directions, it tells you to go out and do this for a movie class and a book class. And I believe you can set those to whatever you want. So go ahead and add 2 more classes, movie and books, and you're going to basically make it look very similar to this. You'll have a rating and a title, and you can almost copy and paste this code right here into those other classes. And then you'll come back to Media Lib, basically copy this here, except instead of song 1, it might be book 1 or movie 1. Just make sure you might want to go back and add those up in here, your new songs, your new movies. If you want to try that on your own now, you can. We'll probably make a video showing you how to do that for the next class.